navigation, heated leather seats, iPod MP3 input, onboard communication system, satellite radio, head airbag. Fuel-efficient 32 mpg highway/21 mpg city. Cyber grey metallic exterior and Shakashino interior, leather group trim and more. Key features include heated leather seats, heated mirrors, navigation, backup camera, flex fuel, premium sound system, satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, onboard communication system, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, dual zone AC, MP3 player, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, child safety locks, alarm. Option packages: 1SL preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. Leather group with cyber grey metallic exterior and Shakashino interior features a 4-cylinder engine with 180 horsepower at 6,700 RPMs. Experts are saying, great gas mileage, 32 mpg highway. More about US. The Davidson family has been involved in local business and in the local community for over 50 years. Having grown to 7 franchises, a pre-owned supercenter, and 2 state-of-the-art body shops. The Davidson family has been and will be a member of Central and Northern New York for years to come. Come visit us and you will understand what we mean by the Davidson difference. Horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Fuel economy calculations based on original manufacturer data for trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.